Going on, guys? So we have the Craven Speed shorty antenna, made in USA. Pretty cool. So basically here it comes in this box and it says instructions, screw stock antenna, screw in the stubby. Basically that's it. So let's go out to the Bronco and get this thing installed. Alright, so we're installing this, unscrewing it. Here, pretty easy peasy, and there you have it. Put that one down. Let's take out the Craven Speed one. Sorry, I'm doing it one-handed. Craven Speed one like this. So it looks pretty straightforward here. Put the box down. Here it is. It's called the Stubby. Pretty cool. So let's just screw it on here. You can see it just goes on like this. Screw it on. And it's on. That ain't going nowhere. And there you have it, guys. It is the Craven Speed Stubby shorty antenna. I'll let you know how the reception is in the description. And we'll go from there. Again, just the Craven Speed. Boom. Thanks for watching, guys.